Hi, I'm standing in front of Denny and Jane's house. See how deep it is? Say hi, Tiffany. There's the guys way back there going in. We found a cat on the air conditioner, and so we had to throw it up in the hay mound. Oh, mail didn't come today, I don't think. All water. I'm standing in the middle of the road. All water. There's rapids down there, and we went through them. Here's Mike's house. It did go in. It must have went in his house. Oh, maybe not. It's up on the porch. Alma Hux is down there. As far as we know, she's still there. There we go. Let's keep going. There's another kitty. Oh, he's so poor baby. He's in water.